Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Spin Pakistan, the YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our upcoming video. Do like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Today we are going to do a hands-on review of one of the most beautiful and expensive innovative device recently launched in Pakistan by OPPO, which is Find X. OPPO has recently launched this precious device in Pakistan, and we were lucky enough to get a chance to attend that event and witness the innovative Find X. OPPO Find X has edge-to-edge display, which is 6.4 inches of display with the resolution of 1080 into 2340 pixels and 401 ppi. It has Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It has very crispier and sharper display. As you can see, the charging port down below, the volume rockers at the side, and the power button at the other side of the phone. OPPO Find X has a new feature which is called pop-up camera, which is the most innovative thing I have found in any smartphone till the date. As you can see, if we tap on the camera icon, you can see the camera slides up automatically. When we press the return button, it slides back. And that is very impressive idea to use the full screen edge-to-edge display like now. As you can see, the back is very shiny and glossy. The design is very crispier and cool. Now we should quickly heading towards the basic specs of the phone. As you can see, it has 8 GB of RAM with the 256 GB of storage. It has a latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core processor and the latest Android version, which is 8.1.0. The display quality is also very amazing and sharp. It has 16 megapixel dual rear camera and a pop-up 25 megapixel front camera. So far, I think the price is justified, which is 129,999 PKR in Pakistan. We will be doing a full review soon, so make sure you subscribe our channel and do hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our upcoming videos. Till then, for the next time, take care. Allah Hafiz.